What is up, everybody? Welcome back to today's mukbang. Today's mukbang, let me just tell you, we're going to talk about it in a minute, but just let me just say a blessing and let's hop right in. Thank you, Jesus, for today. Thank you for having us in all we do. Just keep us so safe tonight. Be a smart today. Help us all get along. Just keep us so safe. Jesus, be the ones who do without. Put your hands on everybody. Put your hands on the ones who do without. And in Jesus' name, pray. Amen. Alright, so how is everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. So, if this is your first time watching, or if you're returning, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have not yet already, go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it and leave a comment down below. Alright, so today has been a really crazy day. So, if you watched my last Q&A, I'm very busy, but I also do I'm in hair school. So today is like the very last day of regular classes and we had clients and all this stuff. Then in 2 days we are taking our state board final exams, whatever. And we found out today that they changed the rules up on us, so we had to go get stuff and all this stuff. So I left school, me and friends did. We went straight to this store, to this store, to this store. I've been ripping and running. It's really hot outside. It's summertime, and it's really hot. And I was like, I'm hungry, but I don't want nothing hot. I don't want nothing big, because when you get hot, you don't want to eat nothing big. So I was like, let me get some cantaloupe. I got some cantaloupe. So we're going to eat some nice cold cantaloupe. And that's it. But let me just tell you. I left school, I had to go here, I had to go here, I had to go here. It was crazy. And it's so hot outside that I was like, I just need to get something cool. I was like, it would be ice cream. And I was like, nah, I want some fruit. So I had cantaloupe in my refrigerator. I was like, let me eat some cantaloupe. So we're eating some cantaloupe today. And it's nice and cold in the refrigerator. Let me know what kind of fruit do you like. What kind of fruit do you like? So I like cantaloupe. I like watermelon. I like apples. I like peaches. I like strawberries. I like mangoes. Pineapple. Apples. Bananas. I don't know if coconut is a fruit, but I like coconut. I don't know. Peaches. I pretty much like all fruits. Watermelon, cantaloupe. And I look sweaty, but I'm not sweaty. I'm like completely dry. It's just these lights are so close to me. They make me look greasy, but I'm not. It's crazy. But I don't know. I don't like hot weather. Keep me in the fall and winter time. That's what I like. But y'all, today's been crazy. Crazy, crazy. Y'all let me know how the weather is where you live at. Like, how's the weather? And what I wanted to film today, like I said, it's so hot outside. I've been ripping and running. That I didn't even want what I wanted to film. So maybe we'll do that in the next mukbang. There's nothing like some cold water. I just sit here and drink this whole cup of water. I'm telling y'all, it's crazy. And I know this video is another short video, but it is what it is. And I thank y'all guys so much for supporting me. Whether it's a long video, a short video, I just want to thank y'all because your support means the world to me. And y'all were just awesome. And I just want to let you know, thank you, and thank you for supporting me, and you're awesome. So, yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this little short mukbang. I know it wasn't a lot, but I'm sorry if you wanted something long. But I'm just not feeling it. But hope you guys have a great day. Remember to always smile, to always stay positive, and whatever you're going through, you will get through it. And remember, tomorrow is a new day, a new beginning, so never give up. Always smile, always stay positive, and I'll see y'all guys in my next mukbang. Alright, bye everyone.